blowing the gas off. I want to give away a little bit of money. We're going to get right into round two if we can. We'll take about a 15-minute break. After the break, 15 minutes, so we're going to get going right into round number two. If we get through round two, we'll take about a 20 to 25-minute break following round two. I want to get you guys done.